Hey everyone, it's the festive season, so let's make some coconut balls. First, grab two bowls, one for the red coconut balls and one for the green. Start by pouring half of the condensed milk into each bowl. Now it's time to add the food coloring. In one bowl, add a few drops of green food coloring and in the other, add red food coloring. Add half a teaspoon of vanilla essence to each bowl. The vanilla will give an extra burst of flavor. Stir each bowl well to evenly distribute the color. Add 1.5 cup of desiccated coconut to each bowl. Stir it well until everything is fully combined and the mixture starts to come together like a dough. Our green coconut mixture is ready now. When you add coconut, it's always a good idea to add little by little to reach the perfect consistency. Let's start to shape them. Start by taking a spoonful of the mixture and rolling it into a small ball with your hands. If they are sticky, add extra desiccated coconut to get the right consistency. Afterwards, roll them in some extra desiccated coconut to coat it fully. This gives the coconut balls a nice texture on the outside. The next step is to let them chill in the fridge for a couple of hours. This will help them firm up and hold their shape. Now repeat the same process with the green mixture. And there you have it, Christmas coconut balls. These vibrant festive treats are perfect for Christmas parties, gift giving, or just as a sweet snack to enjoy with loved ones. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time with more delicious festive recipes.